Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to load film into a vintage Voigtlander Vitomatic 2A film camera. This applies to all other Voigtlander models from this era, so it's going to be 99% the same process, which is that you take the camera and you open up the bottom plate, just like so. There's a little latch here, you have to turn it and then pull it. This is how it opens up. And then you open up the back plate. And here, as you can see, the film roll is going to go in on the left-hand side, and then the film is going to be wound on the right-hand side on this little take-up spool. Now, after you opened up the back plate, you take your roll of film. Currently, I will use a Kodacolor Gold 200. And for the Voigtlander models, the film goes in on the left-hand side. You have to put it in like fully, as you can see. So if the film doesn't go in fully just like this, it's not good, and you might have to wiggle around a little bit so it's on there like this. Now you pull a bit of the film over to the right-hand side where your take-up spool is. Insert the film here. As you can see, there is a little slit. You insert the film in that slit, and then you move this lever one turn so the film is tight on this take-up spool. Then you close the back plate, then you close the bottom latch, twist this and close it, and now you turn this once again, or a little bit more depending on how much twisting the mechanism necessitates. And then you can just take a dummy shot. Then you can start taking pictures. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.